Hello, this is Nathalie.
Hello, Nathalie. Fatboy speaking.
Hi.
Is this the designer of Bolleke?
Yes, I am the designer.
What is Bolleke?
Bolleke is a multifunctional light. You can use indoor and outdoor, and it's a huge ball on a loop.
Great. So, can you show me Bolleke?
Yes, of course. Do you have a minute? This is Bolleke.
So, how did the idea of the Bolleke originate?
I was inspired by the sailing binder. It's a loop made of elastic material with a small ball at the end.
So, how does the Bolleke work?
You can hang it everywhere. You can lay it on the table. And the light is working in 3 different... And you can recharge with this.
Do you have any prototypes you can show us?
Yes, I have. I also brought the sailing binder. You can see it. It's a really small ball with a big loop, but my Bolleke has the other way around. And these are the prototypes.
So why did you decide to make a design for Fatboy?
I always liked the brand, and I think we have the common way of thinking.
What's that?
Iconic shapes and products that makes a smile on your face. And the playfulness. I like the playfulness.
I hear your son has one.
Yeah. He used it as a ghost hunter because he was afraid in the night. And I gave him this Bolleke.
And lastly, why does everyone need a Bolleke?
And I think that it will be timeless.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Nathalie.
Thank you.
All the best.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.